Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about Instagram and how you can get your own personal little items like these and different like little perfumes and stuff, and I'll see you in the video, so stay tuned to see what happens. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys some things that I've gotten from Instagram, of all places, Instagram, and I didn't have to purchase them at all. If I could talk today. So I got this Este Lauder Beautiful Magnolia. It's a little trial perfume, and they shipped this one in this box here. So obviously it's way too big for the box, but I think it also had, yes, the camera's currently sitting on it, just a little info card. I mean, the box is still way too big for it regardless, but it is what it is. So it comes in here, standard packaging. They just have that little cardboard divider. And then this is the bottle, you guys can see right here. I haven't really got to try it on yet, but I wanted to give it a try, see how it works, because you know, Este Lauder is always way expensive, so I figured, hey, freebie. So my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna power through this. And then another thing is from It Cosmetics. It's a sample of their confidence cream, and this came into a bigger container, but the packaging is this, and you get this little plastic pot right here. And the plastic pot is about less than a fluid ounce, so that's not so bad. So but yeah, you just scroll through Instagram and you find where it says sign up, or you know, you look to see at the pictures and see if you can get a free sample, and they'll send you a free sample. All they gotta do is verify your address. So that's pretty cool. I just want to show you that real quick. My camera is dying, so I gotta go, but if you guys can like, comment, subscribe, that'd be very appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next one.